Hi friends, and welcome back to Little Woods Art. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this tiger, and we are going to use markers to color it. So go get your markers, a pencil, and some paper, and let's get started. Now I've lightly drawn it already just as a guide, but I will show you step by step. I like to start out when I draw my animals by drawing the nose. Then that way you know how much room you have above and below. So the first thing we're going to do is draw this tiger's nose. And basically it looks like a triangle, but it curves in and you round the edges. So go to the middle of your page and draw that shape. Good. Now the next thing we're going to do is the muzzle. So go to the bottom of the nose and you're going to draw a circle and pull it all the way up like that. Then do the exact same thing on the other side. Nice. Now what we're going to do is, well, let's get the chin on there. So the mouth, I'm going to draw a line there for the mouth. And if you want, you can color that in black if you're using a marker, or you can color it in black later. And the chin. Now, if you are drawing in markers, you might want to do this. Make your lines a little bit jagged. That will make it look furry. Great. Now we're going to go up and add the eyes. So you go back up to almost the top here, and we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to draw kind of an upside down U, and then make a circle underneath. Then a tiger's eyes inside has like this football shape, and you always want to leave a little bit of white light. That is reflected light. So then do the same thing on the other side. You're going to draw another upside down kind of U shape, a circle, a football, leave a little white, color in the pupil. Tigers are really beautiful animals, but not good for pets. Okay, now we got the basic of the face. So we're going to start where the eyes are, go up. We're going to draw a line across, so it's almost across where the eyes are. And then we're going to draw two rounded ears. A lot of times kids draw ears that are pointed, and tiger's ears are more round. Now notice I'm going to make it jagged, so it looks like, and I should have done that here, make it a little furry. Good. Now we're going to draw the sides. So if you want to make it look like fur, have the points going downward. So we're just going to round out his face on both sides. And you don't have to go all the way, but you could add a little line here. But sometimes in art we don't connect our lines. You just need to give part of the line so you have the illusion of it. Then we're going to draw the shoulders off this way. And then this one I'm going to make a little more off the side so it looks like it's laying down. Great. Now the fun part, we're going to add the pattern. Now on a tiger there's some white, so I'm just going to draw in around the eyes like this so I remember to leave that white. Okay. And if you want, as you see here, I have a division there. I'm just going to do that later when I color, but now we need to make some fur in the ears like that. And now we're going to make the lines. Okay, so we're going to make a straight line down, and then we're going to come in and make kind of a curved line like this. Now we're going to make some lines on the other side, and you kind of want to balance it. So I'm going to make some lines kind of coming in toward the eye and then back. And so if I did it on that side, I'm going to kind of do it on this side. It doesn't have to be exact. But notice my lines are going with the shape of the face. So just add some lines in there. And then some lines coming down off the shoulder. And if I were you, I would find a tiger picture and look at it as you color and draw, That'll really help. Now, I forgot on the muzzle, you can add a few dots where the whiskers would be, but I'm not going to draw in whiskers. Great. Now I'm going to color it and we'll see how he turns out. And there you have it, a beautiful tiger. If you liked drawing this tiger today, please subscribe to my channel, Little Woods Art, and have a great day.